Hello. Today I will be showing you my new dachshund and my new bunny I have, which I traded it with a friend of mine, Julia, and I'll show you it now. So this is my new dachshund. Oh my gosh. It is my dachshund. Most of you guys must know her from what's that video called? I forgot my name. Her. I got my new bun. I traded this in a trade. And she or he, I think it's a she and he, but I know this one's just a she. But I think they're like perfect for each other, so. And this video is not over yet, but it is now. Look at the description down below, and then you'll figure out how I got them. Bye!